Imagine a friendly little library called LiteLLM, like a cartoon mailman shuttling your AI prompts to different models. One day, a shady character named Team PCP sneaks in, wearing a fake mailman hat, stuffs a secret backdoor letter in the mailbag, via a security tool called Trivy that LiteLLM used. It looks harmless, but it's waiting to swipe your AI service passwords, called API keys, and peek at your mail. Those stolen keys could cause surprise bills on your AI account. A malicious update slipped into versions 1.82.7 and 1.82.8 of LiteLLM. If I installed those, my app might quietly send sensitive stuff, API keys, usage info, to a place it absolutely shouldn't. Think of it like our cartoon mailman suddenly taking photos of every letter and forwarding them to the villain's lair. Impact time. If my project auto-updated, I could be running code I didn't mean to trust. That means leaked secrets, surprise bills on my AI account, and other problems downstream. Clients, teammates, and users get pulled into the mess. Now the fix. Step 1. Freeze updates and roll back to version 1.82.6 or earlier. Step 2. Rotate everything. Change all API keys, tokens, and passwords. Step 3. Check security advisories and upgrade only to the new patched version. Step 4. Pin your versions, turn on dependency auditing, and watch for unusual outgoing traffic. Finally, I'd do a quick post-mortem. Where did I trust automation too much? And how can I add a human in the loop for critical dependencies? Our cartoon ends with the real mailman back en route, a shiny lock on the bag, and a big "No Fakes Allowed" sign on the depot. That's how I keep my AI stack safe, resilient, and boring in the best way.